And that ends off this week's trading. Today is Friday, the 13th of February. I ended up taking 3 trades on one Express account today, which netted me a total profit of $2,998. It was also CPI today. You already know what that means. That means it is full porting frenzy. It is set your buy limits, set your sell limits, and let CPI do the rest of the job. Unfortunately, today, I did go into CPI with 3 My Fund of Futures evaluations that were halfway past. A really annoying turn of events happened, but anyway, let me stop talking and let me just show you. So, unfortunately, I cannot show you what it looked like on my funded futures accounts. I took the trades on TradingView. Well, I actually didn't. I had this fresh 50k Express account ready to trade CPI. Do I naturally do that? No, but today was my first trading day on this Express account. Fresh Express account. I wanted to balance it out with my other Express accounts, which are all sitting at a balance of around $4,500 to $4,600. I wanted to balance it out, so I was willing to put the Express on the line on the XFA. Sorry, on CPI. So what did I do? I hopped on TradeSync, set my Express account as the leader, and boy, we got filled instantly on our buy stop on our Express. Unfortunately, the My Fund of Future evaluations was a complete another thing. So a quick little 1-minute breakdown of what happened was, they were the follower accounts. So the 50k Express account I'm on right now that was fresh in the morning, this was the leader of the other 3 My Fund of Futures accounts. So accepting the fact that there would be a small amount of slippage, maybe like 1 point or 2 points, let alone 20 fucking points, bro. 20 points. By the time this trade hit this level, this was not where I wanted to take profit, but I kind of put myself in a situation where I had to. By the time this trade was around this point, I ended up putting the trade. Little did I know that my fills, or where the buy limits got triggered at on my Fund of Futures accounts, they were all the way fucking up there, mate. I made nothing on the My Fund of Futures accounts, unfortunately. They all 3 of them went in with a balance of $1,500. All that I needed was 150 ticks on CPI. Was that doable? Yeah. Did that happen? Yeah. Did I come out of it on top? No. But at the end of the day, I'm not going to complain. I'm in a great position ending off the week. It is unfortunate that I've blown 6 whole My Fund of Future evaluations this week, but at the same time, I passed 3 Alpha Futures accounts and they're in profit. I passed another Top Step account, that's in profit. My other 4 Express accounts are in profit. Like, we've had a good week, so I'm not going to be negative about it. So on the Express account today, it was proper. If this CPI candle, if I had have exited it for like $3,000, then it would have been calm. I would have locked up the account, not bothered taking these trades, but I just thought, fuck it. I mean, the markets are volatile. Whatever way price delivers to, it's going to be a clean, well, not a clean move, as we can see. It was not clean at all, but it was going to be a guaranteed high volume, high risk to reward kind of, in a way. I secured 300 ticks or 75 points within 2 minutes of this trade, or within like 90 seconds. But anyway, breaking down how I'm up 3k on the day. Did I follow my rules today? Not really. I just went off of pure intuition. I understand how to read markets. I understand how to execute, and that is exactly what happened. Opening CPI, we made $1,400 on that because I pulled it way too early, because I wanted to secure my Fund of Futures accounts a pass, but let's not talk about that anymore. Price then ended up coming into this 1-minute rejection block, creating no high time from SMTs. At this point in the charts, we had got Asia highs resting up here, and we had an SMT holding with it. Now, pairing this with the fact that price has been bearish for the past 24 hours, yesterday, if you didn't watch the video, I hit my biggest ever trade of 12 grand, shorted from this point here to low of day, caught a nice little 1 to 9 R trade on that. After seeing the weekly change in state delivery hold and price boomed off it, you can kind of anticipate price might just have a flush run to the downside, and that is the exact reason why I ended up leaving a runner on this trade. Now, in hindsight, it was completely stupid. If I had have secured my weight, I probably gave no context. The only 2 trades that actually counted on this account counted with CPI and this trade. This trade was purely, we're in a downtrend, we're manipulating buy side liquidity, we are not delivering above highs, we're not getting clean closures above highs. This trade was just easy. We were rejecting this opening gap range low. As soon as we surpassed it lower, we did not go above it. From that point, I just waited for a small little retracement on the low time frames. Here, we got in a nice little 30-second retracement right there. Took 1 contract off here, securing me $1,500. What I should have done is taken both contracts off here, because at the end of the day, I was just greedy. That is the whole reason why I ended up getting stopped at break even. I had no reason to hold this trade till break even, but I'm not going to complain, man, because this week was great, man. This week was great, bro. Last week, I ended up taking a payout. This week, on Wednesday, I opened my accounts up at a balance of $1,800. We've now ended the week with a balance of 4,600. That means we're up like 2.7k, but it's been a great week for me. Hopefully you guys who've watched this video, it's been a good week for you as well, because there's definitely been a couple moves that you could have, what's the word, got in on. Price action was good at some times, bad at others, but overall, for me, it's been a successful week. So thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something. Probably didn't learn anything, but yeah, man, this week's vlog is going to be lit. So tune in for that on Sunday, and I'll see you guys then.